So last weekend we were out for a Sunday drive, and on the side of the road there was a snowblower and lawnmower with a free sign on it. So I did the right thing and turned around and gave it a 10-second inspection and made sure it pulled over and loaded it in the truck. As you can see, it's in pretty nice shape. It's a Craftsman 24-inch with electric start. Not sure what year it is, but I'm guessing, I don't know, maybe 10 years old. But it looks like it hasn't been used very much. Not sure if it runs. Like I said, I just know it pulls over. The gas tank is completely dry. So what we're gonna do today is we'll clean the carburetor out, because I don't know what shape that's in, and we'll get the oil changed and make sure it runs good, and we'll list it on Marketplace. So there's a line here for the primer. You can just pull that off and disconnect this electrical, and this cover will come off. And instead of disconnecting this electrical, I'm just gonna let this cover hang here. It's out of the way. Disconnected this breather tube, and then this intake comes off. And we'll have to disconnect this gas line here, so we'll get that disconnected. Alright, got the gas line off, just took a pliers to this clamp, and then there's a couple connections here on the top. So I just pulled this up and out, and then this little spring, you just kind of bend it and it comes out of that. So now our carburetor's free. We'll take the bowl off and see what's going on in there. Alright, so that's pretty clean. Looks like we don't really have to do anything here. I just wanted to, we'll make sure this main jet's clear, but and our needle and seat's moving up and down. Yep, it is. So there's not much we have to do here. Oh, there's a little bit of crud at the bottom here. And this is from ethanol. It's like a jelly. So don't use ethanol in your small engines. So, okay, we'll put this back together and we'll get it back on. So I did decide to take this main jet out, and after blowing through it, I'm not seeing light, so maybe this is why it was on the side of the road. This appears to be clogged. So I have this handy dandy tip cleaner set here. I think I got off Amazon. So we'll try to poke through here, and there's some junk right there. Try to go a little bit bigger. Alright, so now you can see through it. Looks like it's clear. So now go ahead and put it back together. Alright, carburetor's back on. And let's check the oil, make sure, yeah, that actually doesn't look too bad. So now we'll throw some 91 octane non-ethanol gas in here, and we'll run it for a little bit, get that oil warm, and then we'll change the oil. This oil doesn't look too bad, but we're gonna change it anyway. Alright, so that's what came out, and we'll go ahead and fill it up. Alright, so the sticker here says 530, so that's what we're putting in. And I think we'll start off with around a half quart, see where that brings us. Alright, got the oil changed. Up next, we'll go ahead and put some fluid film on all these like pivot points here. Coat that. Basically anything that kind of moves, you know. Alright, now let's test out the electric start. Alright, electric start works good. So this thing is all set to get listed on Marketplace. Not bad for a free snowblower. Alright, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.